Ciao, and welcome to United Converting Tissue. Here, we work every day to simplify tissue converting. Let me show you how. With over 100 complete lines installed since 2004, we keep innovating to make your work easier. Whether you're making industrial rolls, consumer products, folded tissue, or innovative cardboard solution, we are here to support you. Our technologies are built on over 40 years of expertise in the industry, and we keep evolving. Every project starts with listening, really listening. Experience matters, but attention to details is what truly makes the difference. In an extremely competitive industry like ours, the smallest things often become the most critical ones. By understanding our customer needs, we engineer the right solution for each project. With our integrated workshop and in-house manufacturing, engineering design take shape, and our team carefully assemble each component until the technology comes to life. Delivering a state-of-the-art line is not the end of our responsibility. It's the beginning. With remote assistance and rapid spare parts support, we ensure reliability and continuity throughout the life of the line. Let's simplify tissue converting together.